I used to spend about $3,000 a month paying people to do work that now takes me 5 tools and almost nothing. I'm going to show you all 5, what each one replaced, exactly what I use it for, and just as importantly, where each one still falls short because none of them are magic. If you're a one-person business drowning in the cost of getting things done, this is the stack that bought me my margins back. Here's the trap every small operation hits. To grow, you need help, someone for the writing, someone for the design, someone for the editing, the admin, the data. So you hire it out. And suddenly you're spending thousands a month before you've made $1 of profit. That cost doesn't just hurt your wallet. It makes you slow. You wait on other people, you batch requests to save money, you don't experiment because every test costs you. The expense quietly caps how fast you can move. And for a long time, that was just the price of doing anything alone, until the tools got good enough to collapse most of those roles into something one person can run in an afternoon. To be straight with you, I'm not saying fire your whole team, and I'm not pretending these tools are as good as a brilliant human specialist. They're not, in some cases, and I'll tell you exactly which. This is a real stack I actually use with real limits. Let me go role by role. Role 1, the writer. What used to be a freelance content cost is now ChatGPT drafts, rewrites, outlines, the first version of basically anything. I feed it my style and it gets me to edit instead of blank page. The limit. It's a strong drafter and a weak finisher. The final polish, the actual point of view, that's still you. Role 2, visuals. Design that used to mean a contractor is now Canva for images and quick graphics. Good enough for thumbnails, social posts, simple assets. The limit, brand level, pixel-perfect design still beats it. Use it for volume, not for your logo. The pattern's already clear, AI replaces the volume work, not the top 10% craft. Role 3, editing. Video and audio cleanup, captions, cuts, cleanup. That used to be an editor is now CapCut. Auto captions alone save hours, and on faceless content most people watch on mute, so captions aren't optional. The limit, creative editing, pacing, story, taste is still human. Role 4, admin and email. The virtual assistant work, triage, routine replies, scheduling drafts, is Gemini plus good prompts. It clears the inbox noise, so I only touch what needs a real decision. The limit, anything sensitive or relationship critical, you write yourself. AI makes it generic, and generic costs trust. Role 5, data and research. The analyst work, cleaning messy spreadsheets, summarizing documents, pulling patterns, is Claude. Paste in the mess, get back the signal in seconds. The limit, verify its numbers. It's a fast assistant, not a source of truth. It will state a wrong figure with total confidence. Now the real math, honestly. 5 roles that used to cost around $3,000 a month now run on tools that total a tiny fraction of that. Some free, some a small subscription. But here's the honest footnote. I didn't replace 5 great specialists. I replaced the volume those roles produced. The genius level work I still pay humans for, because that's where the money actually is. So how do you build this without overwhelming yourself? Don't adopt 5 tools at once, that's how people quit. Start with your single most expensive outsourced cost. Just that one. Replace the volume of it with the matching tool, keep paying a human for the top tier version if you need it, and live with that for a week. Then add the next. 1 role at a time, biggest cost first. By the time you've done 3, you've usually cut the bill enough to feel it, and you actually understand each tool instead of drowning in all 5. And keep the rule from every honest version of this. Automate the volume, pay for the craft. The tools handle the 80% that's repeatable. You, or a real specialist, handle the 20% that's the whole reason anyone notices your work. So that's the 5-tool stack that replaced a $3,000 a month. Words, visuals, editing, admin, and data, each one powerful. Each one with a limit I told you about so you don't get burned. Not a team replaced. A team's busy work replaced so the one human left can focus on what matters. Tonight, do one thing, write down your single biggest, I pay someone to do this cost. Just one. That's the first role to hand to a tool this week, biggest cost, 1 swap. And if you want to see why most people use these tools wrong and get garbage out of them, that's the next one. Subscribe and I'll see you there.